Hello everyone, I am Stefan from the Azure Monitor team, and I would like to show you how to forward your activity logs into a log analytics workspace. Activity logs are essential platform logs that give you insights into the events which take place on your Azure subscriptions. These logs can be seen in the Azure Portal or retrieved programmatically using tools such as PowerShell or Azure CLI, but they can also be sent to multiple destinations, such as a storage account or an event hub. As I mentioned, today we will discuss about streaming them into Log Analytics, which is one of the most popular destinations because it allows you to take advantage of the powerful custom query language. Log Analytics also offers a legacy way for ingesting activity logs into the workspace. However, it is not recommended as it has high latency and doesn't offer granular control over what logs or categories are being ingested. Therefore, let's go ahead and forward some activity logs to a workspace. I will go to Monitor, Activity Log, and then Diagnostic Settings. I'll choose my subscription and create a new diagnostic setting. And I will choose the administrative and the security categories. And then I'll forward them to a workspace, which is going to be this one, Demo Activity Log, which stands for Log Analytics Workspace. And then I'll hit Save. The next thing that I will do is to remove this resource group. I have to type its name and then hit delete. Now that the resource group is removed, I will wait for a few minutes and then go to my workspace to find this operation. Now I am inside the workspace. If I go to the logs section, I will see multiple queries that are already built for me. I can look for something related to activity logs and then click on one of the suggestions. Naturally, they would be more useful in a real scenario with production workloads than they are for me in this demo environment, since I don't have any errors or warnings. What I can look for is the event that I'm interested in, which is the removal of my resource group. I can put in this query, make a bit more room, and then run it. And I immediately get details about the operation that I just performed. I can see the time, the IP of the caller, the operation name value, or the resource ID. I encourage you to read this documentation article and get yourself familiar with forwarding activity logs to a workspace. Thank you for using Microsoft services.